There's a general belief, I'd put it that way, that the new age clients, I mean the younger lot or the millennials, they find it easy to adapt to that, to the fintech environment of the financial service industries. Is that so? I mean, if you speak of your client profile, I mean, what is the average age of your client? I mean, they are more of the younger population signing up for the platform which is simple yet yet technologically advanced, or you have all groups and all classes of investors.
Generally speaking, the active traders have made the shift already.
Okay.
And so the ones who require advice are dealing, would want to deal with a different kind of broker that provides research, that provides relationships and stuff like that. But we cater primarily to very active traders and investors who are happy to just trade on their own.
Right.
So the thing is, they don't want to feel pressured to trade or invest on a timely
Absolutely.
basis.
Yes,
So what
yes.
the pitfalls of having a relationship with a broker is that the broker will call you and say, hey, good morning, do you want to trade today? The Nifty is going up.
Exactly.
So I don't think people prefer that anymore.
Because the pressures on them to create volumes.
Exactly.
Because brokerage per se is getting very difficult to survive. How do you see FIRES positioning itself as a, I would call it a technology disruptor or something, adding something more to what the discount brokerages are offering today? What more value proposition that you have in mind that FIRES can provide to the clients?
Based on my interactions with thousands of people over the last few years, we've realized that traders want a customized experience. Although we provide a really simple platform to trade on, they want to customize the platform to their specific needs. And so to make that possible, we recently launched trading APIs, which are available for free and which can be used by the trading community to, of course, our clients, to customize a front-end platform, to implement their trading strategies, to use programmatic trading and to implement that. And yeah, so we're actually enabling traders to trade in the best possible way, in the way they see fit.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're trying not to restrict them to what we think is the right way to do it or on our platform alone. So we're giving them the ability to make their own platform, ability to do a lot of things with trading APIs because they can build a lot of things above our robust systems.
Right. So I think FIRES is the only discount broker who is giving APIs for free. We have not seen, APIs are charged, whether little bit more or less, but they are charged. Usually they are not free. So are you seeing more focus or more acceptance of automated trading in India? Is it growing, or people are finding it hard to adapt, or people find it difficult to script? How one can make algorithmic trading easy for the clients who have no background in coding?
Yeah.
They are just good. They may be good traders. I have seen many people who are good traders, but when it comes to create an algorithm, to construct an algorithm, that is the place where they stuck up.
Yeah.
So, do you see that FIRES has any way where it can, seamlessly enable the people to shift to algorithmic trading without having much knowledge about scripting?
Yeah, so firstly, I want to talk about the willingness. The willingness to program their trading strategies exists even among people who are not familiar with computers. Because
Right.
the question that people are asking me today when I at social gatherings is, do people really have the time to sit and trade in front of a screen?
Exactly.
And I'm like,
Right.
well, there are a lot of people, but if this gentleman who doesn't even trade is asking me that, the willingness is there amongst everybody. But it's difficult because the procedure that one has to go through, he has to know how to code a strategy. And then if he doesn't, then he'll have to find someone to do it on behalf of him. Then he'll have to buy data from somewhere, then get trading APIs for a fee, at least so far. And the entire process is cumbersome and it costs them a lot of money, and most of them don't even have the capital to justify those kind of costs. So Yes, so the way to make it simple is to perhaps provide a platform that can help them implement strategies without coding, and it's work in progress is what I can say.
Great.
It's work in progress.
Great. Okay.